247 million! Bigay, donation ni Anton Lagdameo para sa campaign funds ni PBBM last 2022 presidential elections. Anong masasabi niyo dito, guys? Well, for me, the biggest question is, plunder din ba ito, sir? Senator Marcoleta nakatanggap ng 75 million for campaign donation sa pagiging senador. And now, kinasuhan, charged with plunder. Anton Lagdameo nagbigay ng 247 million for BBBM and now, assistant to the president. Ano ang pagkakaiba? Marcoleta may kaso, Lagdameo may posisyon. One clear reason why si Marcoleta ay ipinaglalaban ang katotohanan. His anti-corruption. Gusto niyang ilabas kung sino ang mga involved, kung sino ang mastermind sa nangyaring flood control scandal. And now, the people involved is trying to silence him. Kailangan matanggal, mawala si Marcoleta because hindi siya tumitigil na ilabas ang katotohanan. Ayaw ni Marcoleta ng bend the law. That's why may kaso and any moment the warrant will be served. And Lagdameo enjoying his position. Well, nakakalungkot. Pero this is the reality of Philippine politics. I hope justice will prevail for Senator Marcoleta. Have a great day, everyone.